Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys having a fabulous week and ready for a cracking weekend. Today's freebie, or actually this week Friday freebies, is this page here. It's been designed from my March VIP lounge subscriptions digital papers. Of course, I will explain everything in a minute, but as you can probably imagine / guess, this month VIP lounge papers have been designed taking inspiration from Peter Rabbit, from Beatrix Potter. Of course, this is my interpretations. So I have designed like a geometric pattern that you can use as an entirety, or you can cut it into pieces to create like cards or ephemera or anything that you want. So this, of course, is free. Let me show you what the VIP lounge papers for the month of March. For the month of March, we made a little change. I have asked my lovely VIP members if they will prefer a larger kit rather than 3 small kit, and the response has been quite outstanding. So pretty much 90% of my VIP members have asked a larger kit, because with a larger kit you can make entire journals, cards, embellishments, etc, etc. So there we go. So this month the inspiration comes from Peter Rabbit by Beatrix Potter. So this kit has been requested by the lovely Denise. Denise is one of my VIP members. She sent me an email and said, "Oh Antonio, can you create something inspired by Peter Rabbit?" Of course, for copyright reason, I can use any other images, so I have created my own one, of course with a little twist. I wanted to create something that it reminds the country life in a Victorian era, but with a bit of like vintage shabby motif background. I hope I'm making sense. So there we go, that's the result. So we got I think it's like 14 pages in total, so it's a very, very large kit, and it's a mixture of backgrounds, embellishment, pockets, tags, etc, etc. I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna show you the papers one by one. So this is one of the background. So you got a lovely male rabbit and a lovely lady rabbit, and I played with different texture. All the color palette is the same, so it's a baby blue and a pink, pastel pink, very soft, very country. There are lots of like flowers and vegetables, etc. This is just a floral vintage background that you don't have to use with the collection, but you can use it because it's all blend together. This is a collage of 2 pages, so you can use the background pages for your journals, or you can cut them as used as a 2 entirety if you make like large cards, etc. Another background with the lovely male and female here, rabbits, and I have used like green and a bit of like purpley lavender colors. This is probably one of my favorite page. There's a lot of like vegetables and flowers. This reminded me of the Liberty. That's what's kind of the inspiration behind this page, like the Liberty from the 1920s style, when you got all this glass they've been decorated. And then we got the lovely rabbits, a little duck inspired by the book. Again, I played with this geometric motif and create my own pattern. A lovely background. This is another favorite of mine. So we got some pink flowers and pink butterflies, again trying to recreate this geometrical motif. And there is a blue version with some daisies. Love, love, love that. Then we got some pockets for your journal, so that's the tabs that you fold it inside. So we've got 4 squares and a side pocket or like tuck. 3 large tags with rabbits and a little duck. Look how cute she is. Another page with some tags and some embellishment. I put here the ducks because you can do, if you cut them, the circles, and then you put on top, you can use them as a little tags, or they can be amazing paper clips. 2 envelopes and a large scallop envelope. Again, if you're into journal makings. Some ephemera, so we got some vintage inspired postcards. Look at that, so cute. And then the last page with some embellishment. I cannot wait to use this. I love doilies. I love creating doilies. So yeah, I've got a project in mind for this. So this is the papers that you get. Also, as part of the VIP membership, you get 30% discount across everything on my website. So all my digital papers, my ebook, my workshop, my classes, everything, you get 30%. And also we are carry on with the alphabet gift box. So this month is the letter K. Okay, so you get an assembly video. It's a private video. I'll show you how to put this together. So you've got the letter K and all the side tabs that you put together. And then because I have some space here on the page, I just put some extra embellishments. You got 2 large circles. So one measure it. In fact, let me tell you in inches. 3 inches and one is 3.5 inches. So very large embellishment. And then again on the back, because I needed the K back to put on the back of the gift box, I have some space, so I'll give you an extra envelope and an extra embellishment. Let me show you what the letter K looks like when it's done up, and I'll show you all the letter that we've done in the past as well. And this is what the letter K looks like when it's all assembled and done up. Super, super pretty. Love it. Very, very simple. Very easy to put it up. So let me show you all the alphabet that we have so far. Letter A, we decorate with some flowers. So we got A, B, C, D, E, F, J, what's J? F, G, H, I got it here. I love the letter I with the vintage chemistry. That's the easiest letter to put it up because it's just like a little rectangular gift box. F, G, H, I, that's letter J. And this is letter K. Little cute envelope, the large one, which was with the letter K. I simply put it all together and I use one of the circles to create a little closure like that. Of course, when you put things inside, you might want to enforce the closure, but this is super pretty and super cute. Papers. If you wish to subscribe to my monthly subscription, I will put all the links down below. It's basically as I said, yeah, it's a subscription. Every month you get digital papers straight to your email box. You don't have to do anything. I do the hard work. I design them and I ship them to you, to your email address. And you also get 30% off absolutely everything on my website. You can use it as and when. You also get a gift from me every month, or a little offer. And also every month there is a letter box or a gift box. We're doing all the letters, and then we're gonna go design all the numbers. So I'm very, very excited because I know how much my VIP members love. If you wish to join, let me show you my website, where to find it. Okay guys, so this is my website. So when you look at AntonioMakes.com, so this is the homepage. If you click on VIP Lounge, there you go. You got my membership plan. So you have a Gold Butterfly, which you pay £5 a month. And then you have a yearly one. So you got the VIP Lounge yearly membership. Okay. So if you click on here, you have 30% discount across all digital papers on the website, 3 mini, at least 4 pages each, a monthly offer or a gift, A5 size of 5 art print delivered to your home address, and a special video with project and tutorial. So you get all of this when you subscribe for the Gold Butterfly on a £5 monthly plan. If you click on the yearly subscription, click on details, you got exactly the same treats that you have with the monthly one, but you basically pay once upfront. Okay, so you saw everything. So where to find it, you saw the papers. So as usual, 2 ways to get my freebie. Number 1, join my newsletter. It's a free email I send out every week a Friday at 9 p.m. British time, and I'm showing you the newsletter here on the screen what it looks like. It's basically an email. It's got the video recap of the week on my channel in case you guys have missed them. There is always a paper showcase. There is always a cheeky discount code for you guys. It's a little treat. And some showcase of like new release, etc, etc. So as I said, it's a complimentary email. Can't cost anything. You get some crafty news. By the time you watch this video, the newsletter is already gone out. So the second way to get this is joining my Facebook group. My Facebook group is a very interactive platform where myself and other creators share ideas, project, freebies, papers, etc, etc. So all the links I put it in the info box just here down below. So it's a very interactive platform. Guys, I'm going to go very quick, super speedy. I love these. I think this month it's been one of my favorite VIP digital papers, because I know this was a request, and I'm hoping yeah, I just hope that I had the brief, and I'm hoping the execution was successful. But yeah, so far so good. I get a really good feedback about these digital papers. You guys love as much as I do. So yeah, it's so cute. Right, I'm going to go. Big thumbs up if you like this video, because it really helps with my journey here on YouTube. Don't forget to join me on Instagram as well if you guys are over there. I'm on all social medias, all links listed down below. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Have a wonderful weekend. And until next week, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.